In this video, I am going to show you how to present your screen in Google Meet and still be able to view your participants. Currently, my screen is active in a Google Meet, and I just have one participant in here. The first thing I want to show you is a new add-on that Google has now included in Google Meet. Over here, if you hover to the bottom of the screen, you'll get this menu bar, which has your microphone, your camera, and your presentation button. These three dots over here also give you more options, and if you change the layout, there is now a tiled view, so you no longer need to do the external grid add-on for it. So in the tiled view, you would have a screen of all of your participants. Now this is great because people viewing, if they're looking in the tiled view, they will be able to see your presentation as well as see you in the presentation. Okay. However, when you are presenting, if I choose to present and I want to present how to log into It's Learning, you can see I now have lost my view of my participants because I can only see my screen. So if I want to see both my participants and be able to click on my presentation, the best way to do that is to actually split my screen. So what I'm going to do is pull out the Google Meet by simply clicking on the tab and pulling it out. And now I have Google Meet open. What I'm going to do is minimize Google Meet. And now I can see my presentation in the background. And I can see my presenters here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of split it by taking this and snapping it right. Kind of like I drag it to the right and let go of my mouse, and then I choose what the other screen is. So now I can see everyone participating as well as my presentation. And I can switch between tabs and show whatever I need to show. And at the same time, I am seeing my participants here. And I am seeing it because I chose the tiled view. And I should be able to see everybody. So I hope that helps.